A fraction becomes 2 by 3 when its numerator and denominator are each increased by 2. However, if they are reduced by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find out the original fraction. Let's assume the original fraction as x upon y. So as for the first data, when numerator and denominator are each increased by 2, that means it becomes x plus 2 upon y plus 2. This becomes 2 by 3. Now if we cross multiply, you will get here 3x plus 6 is equal to 2y plus 4. So your linear equation will be 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So this is your first equation. Second equation will be, if we reduce numerator and denominator by 1, so x minus 1 upon y minus 1, it becomes 1 by 2. So let's cross multiply this again. This becomes 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. So it becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is your second equation. Now let's equate the coefficient of y and then we can cancel out y. Okay, so multiplying this second equation by 2, it becomes 4x minus 2y is equal to 2. And keeping the first equation as it is, it becomes 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Now if we subtract this equation from the above one, minus 2y, this will become plus, so it will get cancelled out. This minus will also get plus, so on the right hand side it will be 2 plus 2, that is 4, and on the left hand side 4x minus 3x, therefore x is equal to 4. Now we can substitute x equal to 4 in any of the equations. Let's substitute it over here. So 2x, that is 2 4s are 8 minus y is equal to 1. Therefore y comes out as 8 minus 1, that is 7. So your original fraction becomes 4 by 7.